Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version because compatibility matters. Krnl fails when versions mismatch. Once done, back up your device and ensure your sideload or jailbreak method is stable so installations won't corrupt system files. Next, obtain the specific Krnl build and matching signature file for that iOS release. You're doing this to replace incompatible binaries. This step prevents the common, searching failed hang by aligning loader expectations with device firmware. You now focus on careful replacement. Mount the file system read /right so you can manipulate the binaries without breaking system integrity. After mounting, delete the outdated Krnl files and copy in the new binaries, making sure file permissions are set to executable. Incorrect permissions cause searching failures. Once files are in place, refresh daemon caches and restart the loader process so the loader reads the updated files. Doing these steps prevents stale references and lets the loader find the right signatures. You finish by launching the Krnl loader and monitoring its logs. Look specifically for signature mismatch messages or missing dependency errors because they tell you what to swap next. If searching still fails, reinstall the exact signature file and clear any app caches, then retry. Make sure to test after each change so you can identify the culprit. If nothing works, boot into safe mode to disable tweaks and isolate conflicts. That single troubleshooting move often reveals whether another tweak is blocking the loader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.